Hi Ian, it's Carol Che from REMAX. I'm sending out a couple of very special messages today, and one of them is going directly to you. I hope you're having a really great 4th of July. Ian, I want to thank you for reading my full proposal from HomeGain about the sale of your home on Hermit Street, and I would very much like to speak with you about this in greater detail. Why don't you give me a call right after the holiday, 215-643-9661. Let's set up an appointment where I can take a look at the home and we can discuss home values in your neighborhood and an anticipated sale price. Please don't forget, you can go to www.carolworks4u, and that's the number 4, carolworks4u.com. Get a free market snapshot all about sales activity, listings, active listings, sold property, and so on, right in your immediate vicinity. So Ian, once again, thanks for reviewing my proposal. I look forward to hearing from you soon. 215-643-9661. It's Carol Che from REMAX signing off.